So, welcome back. We were doing the chapter of electricity, and now we are going to discuss about the components of circuit. As you know, in the previous session, we have discussed about the circuit and the types, open and closed circuit. Now we are going to discuss about the components of circuit. So, the very first is cell and battery. Cell or battery, these are the sources of electric current. And we know in a cell there is a positive and a negative terminal, and the conducting wires are connected to both the terminals. So when we require more amount of power, that time we can use battery, and we can make batteries by connecting number of cells together. जब हम बहुत सारी सेल्स को एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं, वी कैन मेक बैटरी फ्रॉम देम. नाउ देयर आर टू मेथड्स टू कनेक्ट द नंबर ऑफ बैटरीज टुगेदर, लाइक वन इज अ पैरेलल सीरीज एंड अदर वन इज द इन सीरीज पैटर्न, इन सीरीज मेथड. In the parallel method, cells are connected, they are placed parallel to each other, like positive terminal, these are connected to the negative terminal. Okay, but only the positive negative terminal, so it is always there. Whenever we need to connect, we have to connect it from positive and the negative terminal, but in a parallel manner. Same is here in the in series. There also we have connected the wires from positive terminal to negative terminal, but here you can see they are in a parallel way, and here they are in series, like from here the negative terminal of other one, then again from positive to negative, again from positive to negative, and here from the first negative terminal we can connect it from to the first terminal to the positive terminal of the last cell. This is called as the in series pattern, and this is the parallel series method to connect the number of more number of cells together to form a battery. Now the second component is on off switch. On off switch. So dear children, whenever we have to switch on or switch off the electric appliances like electric fan, iron, or mixer, juicer, whatever electric appliances we are using at home, electric cooker, so whatever you are using at home, we need to switch it on or switch it off. So switch on and switch off, these are switch on and switch off, it is used to break or connect the circuit. It is used to break or connect the circuit. When the switch is on position, it completes, when the switch is on, it completes the circuit, as we have already discussed here. हमने पहले भी ये डिस्कस किया है, bulb will glow if the circuit is complete, if the circuit is complete. But अगर सर्किट कहीं पे भी ओपन होता है तो हमने क्या कहा था, that is a closed circuit. So here if the circuit is closed, bulb will glow. Bulb will glow means electric appliance will switch on, it will complete the circle, it will complete the circuit. So here we can say that when the switch is in on position, when the switch is in on position, it will complete the circuit and current flows through it. When the switch is in off position, the circuit will be, जब ऑफ होगा तो सर्किट क्या होगा, ओपन होगा. सर्किट इज इन ओपन पोजीशन, यानी कि ओपन सर्किट होगा तो स्विच ऑफ होगा. क्लोज होगा तो स्विच ऑन होगा, हमारा इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंस ऑन हो जाएगा. सो सर्किट में ये जो ऑन ऑफ का है, ये कंप्लीट होने का, सर्किट कंप्लीट होना या इनकम्प्लीट होना, क्लोज होना या ओपन होना, ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन दी स्विच, इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच. जैसे आपके घर में भी स्विचेस होंगे, लाइट के लिए अलग होगा, फैन के लिए अलग होगा. व्हेनेवर यू स्विच ऑन तो सर्किट विल गेट कंप्लीट, व्हेन यू स्विच ऑफ सर्किट जो है वो इनकम्प्लीट होगा. So moving forward, electric appliance. Electric appliance connected to the circuit. जो भी इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंस है वो सर्किट के साथ कनेक्टेड है टू परफॉर्म स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन. तो स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन परफॉर्म करना, दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ एनर्जी. फंक्शन परफॉर्म होना, दैट इज ओनली बिकॉज देयर इज अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ एनर्जी. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ एनर्जी मीन्स, जैसे हमने इस सर्किट में देखा बल्ब ग्लो कर रहा है, बट ये बल्ब ग्लो कैसे कर रहा है? एज वी नो देयर इज अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ फिलामेंट इन द बल्ब, and whenever the circuit is complete there is a flow of electricity, there is a flow of electrons और charge, जो कि बल्ब के फिलामेंट को क्या करता है? हीट करता है और तभी हमें लाइट मिलती है. सो हियर द एनर्जी इज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू लाइट, इनटू हीट एंड लाइट एनर्जी. सो these were the components of electric circuit. In the next session we are going to discuss about the conducting wires and the voltmeter and ammeter. These three are also the components of electric circuit. Thank you.